Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What is the meaning of Surah Al-Kahf? Your options are option A, the rock, or option B, the cave. The right answer is option B, the cave. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Anbiya? Your options are option A, the prophets, or option B, the angels. The right answer is option A, the prophets. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Hajj? Your options are option A, the sacrifice, or option B, the pilgrimage. The right answer is option B, the pilgrimage. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Mu'min? Your options are option A, the prophets, or option B, the believers. The right answer is option B, the believers. What is the meaning of Surah An-Nur? Your options are option A, the light, or option B, the wind. The right answer is option A, the light. When will Kaaba open for cleaning in a year? Your options are option A, every Monday, or option B, 30 days before Ramadan and Hajj. The right answer is option B, 30 days before Ramadan and Hajj. What is the cloth placed on the Kaaba called? Your options are option A, kiswa, or option B, libas. The right answer is option A, kiswa. When will kiswa be replaced every year? Your options are option A, evening of Eid al-Fitr, or evening of Eid al-Adha. The right answer is option B, evening of Eid al-Adha. Who was the first person to drink water of Zamzam? Your options are option A, Ismail alayhi salam, or option B, Hajra alayhi salam. The right answer is option B, Hajra alayhi salam. Who is the leader of women in Jannah? Your options are option A, Fatima radiyallahu anha, or option B, Khadija radiyallahu anha. The right answer is option A, Fatima radiyallahu anha.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.